When switching to a new HTC device, you'll want to transfer your data. To do this officially, download the HTC Transfer tool onto your new phone and use it to copy your content. The app facilitates seamless data transfer between devices. Here's a brief overview, user guide, and pros and cons. Part 1. What is HTC Transfer Tool? The HTC Transfer Tool, an HTC phone transfer program, swiftly moves data from your old Android device to a new HTC via Wi-Fi Direct. It supports a range of data types, from Android 2.3 or newer devices. Ensure your new HTC device runs on Sense 5 or higher. Part 2. How to use HTC Transfer Tool. Download HTC Transfer Tool on both devices. On target HTC, go to Settings, get content from another phone. Choose Full Transfer. Launch HTC Transfer Tool on source HTC. Match displayed pin. Select data types to transfer and tap Start. Part 3. What are the pros and cons of this HTC file transfer app? Advantages: ease of use or comprehensive transfer or wireless transfer or data security. Disadvantages: limited to HTC or Android devices, or not always perfect, or no cloud integration. Part 4. What's the best alternative to HTC Transfer Tool? As you know, HTC Transfer Tool isn't compatible with Apple devices and is limited when coping with non-HTC phones. As such, having a program like Mobikin Transfer for mobile Windows and Mac is crucial. How to transfer data from one phone to your HTC cell phone with Mobikin Transfer for mobile. Step 1. Link your smartphones to a computer. Step 2. Verify the device positions. Step 3. Transfer data from Android or iOS to HTC.